What's up guys? So today we're going to be talking about my stock market account at 17. So yeah, most of you guys would be like, whoa, how do you have an account? All I gotta say is shout out to my dad. I want to do a disclaimer before I start. I just want to say I'm not a stock market professional or anything or any way. I'm honestly like a beginner. I just started investing this year. So yeah, I recommend you guys to not do like the trades I do or anything. I'm just a beginner. And yeah, if you do and you lose your money, don't sue me, bro. So the brokerage I'm using is Wealthsimple Trade. It's one of the only Canadian brokers that have zero commission when you trade a stock. And if you guys want to join the brokerage, link in the description, and if you use my link, you guys will get free $25 if you deposit $100 and trade it. So my total stock market portfolio at the moment is around $25,800. And that's broken down in 3 accounts. It's a TFSA, that's a tax saving account in Canada, and a personal account and a crypto account. Those are 3 accounts that I have, and let's get started. So my first account I have is my personal, and I have around $1,800 and I own 5 stocks. This is my second smallest account I have, and yeah, let's get started. So the first stock I have is Boeing. For this stock I have 4 shares, and average price around $140, and my return at the moment percentage wise is 43%, and I've made around $252, and I bought the stock in April when the stock market crashed due to COVID, and yeah, it's doing pretty well for me, and I'm thinking about buying it a little bit more and waiting until COVID just goes away and it'll probably jump back up. So my second stock I have is Bank of America. And for this stock, I only have 2 shares. Should have bought more. And only average price around $23, and total return around 38%. And I made around $18. For sure gonna buy more. I want to get into the bank sector more, so yeah, I'm gonna buy more in the future. The third stock I have is Carnival Cruise, and I only have 18 shares, and my average price is pretty low. It's at $10, and around $10, and my total return is around 90%, so it did really good for me. I'm pretty sure this is the best performing stock in this personal account, and I made around $172, so it's not bad. I'm probably going to be selling this when COVID's over, so yeah. So my fourth stock I have is Canada Goose, and for this I only have 3 shares, and average price around $28, and total return around 40%. And I made around $34. So this stock was a complete gamble. I just bought this stock because Canada Goose is my favorite brand for jackets. So I was like, oh, let me just buy a stock for fun. This was the first stock I ever bought when I really didn't know what I was doing. So I just saw, like, I searched up Canada Goose, oh, there's stock, so I just bought it. So I got very lucky in this one. This was a complete gamble. So my 5th and last stock is Occidental Petroleum Corp. I'm probably pronouncing that wrong. So the ticker symbol is OXY. And for this stock, I only bought 3 shares, and average price is $11, and total returns around a 75% return, and I made around $25. And I only bought the stock because of my friend. He told me to buy it, and I just took a gamble. I was like, oh, okay, so I just bought it. I just took his word, and I got really lucky on this one as well. My second account I have is cryptocurrency. So for this, in total, I have $1,270. And for this account, I only own Ethereum, and I only own $70 worth of it. I did have Bitcoin, but I sold out, and yeah, I'm gonna buy it again for sure. And for Ethereum, I only made 0.75% return, and it just changed to 0.80. Yeah, it keeps on changing because it's 24 hours. And for this stock, I made around 75 cents. So yeah, it wasn't bad. So my third and final account is my TFSA, that's a tax-free saving account. And for this account, I have $22,700. This is my biggest account at the moment, and it's my most well-diversified account as well. So I own 20 stocks. So my first stock in my TFSA is Apple, and I have 9 shares, and average price around $123. And for this stock, total return is 4%, and I made around $46. So yeah, it's a good stock to buy. That's what I thought when I bought it, and yeah, it's a good stock. So my second stock I have is Boeing, and I have 2 shares, and the average price is around $174, and total returns around 18%, and I made around $63 in this account, and I have this in my TFSA and my personal account. My third stock I have is Beyond Meat, and I have 7 shares, average price around $134, and for this stock I'm down 13%, that is $122, and the person I have to blame for this is me, Kevin. I bought this stock because of him. I thought it was a good analysis, but I was joking around. I don't actually blame him. It's totally my fault. But I do see this stock going up more. So yeah, I'm gonna hold it until like 2 to 5 years. So yeah. So my fourth stock I have is Cheesecake Factory, and I have 4 shares. Average price around $22, and I made around like a 70% return, and I made around $62. Not bad. I do see a stock going up more. I did buy the stock because of financial education. I watched this video and it was a really good video. Like I liked the analysis, so I thought it was a good investment. My fifth stock I have is Carnival Cruise, and I own 9 shares. Average price around $18, and I made around 6% return, and I made around $11. I do have the stock in my personal and my TFSA. I bought it in my TFSA because for tax-free savings. So I was like, when I do sell the stock, I won't get taxed. So yeah. So my sixth stock is Delta Airlines, and I own 7 shares, and average cost around $31, and I made around like a 23% return, and I made around $52. I do see the stock going up more when the pandemic is over, so it was a good investment. So I think my 8th stock is Dropbox, and for this stock I own around 46 shares, and average price around $20, and I made around $14. Average return is around $133, and I did buy this stock because of financial education. I liked his video and his analysis. So I'm not even sure which number stock I'm at, but now we have DraftKings, and I only own 2 shares, and I have around $51 average price, and total returns around 4%, and made around $5. So yeah, this was a complete gamble as well. That's why I only bought 2 shares. I only bought this stock because of my friend. So let's hope this doesn't go down. Now we have Etsy, and for Etsy I only bought 1 share, and average price around $164, and I have around 11% gain, and I made around $18. I for sure am going to buy more Etsy stock. I'm waiting for it to go down, and then I'll just buy it. So now we have Foot Locker, and for this stock I only bought 3 shares, and average price is around $28, and I made around 64%, and my return is $54. So I did pretty good in the stock. So now we have JP Morgan, and I only own 1 share, and my average cost is around $122, and I made around 12% return, and I made around $15, and I'm for sure going to be buying much more of this stock. I'm just waiting for it to go down, and it's a good stock to hold for a long time. So now we have Nordstrom. For the stock I have around 15 shares, average price around $12, and this is one of my best stocks I have for performance, and I made around 168% return, and I made around $328 like profit. And yeah, this is my second best stock that has done for like percentage wise. It was pretty good. So the reason why I bought Nordstrom was I was shopping online and I bought something, and I was like, oh, let me just check how the stock is doing. And I seen how the stock was going really down. It got really beaten down, like when the COVID was happening. So I just like, oh, let me just put some money in there. And I got very lucky in that stock, and I made a good chunk of change. So next stock I have is Lemonade. And for this stock I have only 8 shares, and average price is around $61, and total return is around 195%. And if I knew how much this stock was gonna get me for returns, I totally would have bought way more, but I didn't know, right? So for this stock I made around $970 return, And the reason why I bought the stock was because of Meet Kevin. I saw his video on it and I was like, oh, this is a good stock to buy. I like this analysis, so I bought it. And shout out to Meet Kevin for helping me get some dough. So next stock we have is NEO. I have around 16 shares. Average price around $47, and total return is around 32%. And I made around $247, and I do see the stock going much higher, so I'm gonna hold it for the long term. Next stock we have is Square. I only have one share, and the average price is around $233, and I'm down 3%, and I'm negative $8. So I bought the stock because of my friend. So let's hope the stock goes up, or I'm not gonna be friends with that guy again. Now we have Tapestry. I'm probably pronouncing the name wrong. So the ticker symbol is TPR, and I have around 8 shares, and average price around $14, and I'm up around 131%, and I made around $156. I did really well on this stock. This stock was a gamble. Again, I bought this because of my friend, so I got very lucky. The next stock we have is Tattooed Chef, and for this stock I have around 37 shares, and average price around $21, and I made around a 9% return, and I made around $78. And I bought this stock because of Meet Kevin. I saw his video and he had a good analysis on it. I thought it was a good investment. So my last stock I have is Tesla. I own 2 shares. So I did have 9 shares, and I ended up selling 7 of them because I thought I would get some short-term gain, and I made a mistake. And so when the S&P 500 inclusion was happening, so I thought the stock would tank after it happened, but in reality it actually went up a lot. I sold around $550 per share, and now it's up around $800. So I did lose a lot of gain. So for this, I do have only 2 shares right now. And average price is around $380, and total returns around 113%, and I made around $862. And I am going to be putting in around probably 8 more shares, in my opinion, to get my 9 shares again. I'm just waiting for it to go down to around 700, so I'll just buy back. Next stock we have is Wynn Resorts. For this stock, I have around 11 shares. And average price around $76, and my total return is around 40%, and my total return is around $344, and it was pretty good stock. It did pretty well for me, and I did buy this stock because of financial education. I have around $6,980 in cash, and most of this money is from Tesla stock because I sold out around 8 shares. No, I mean 7 shares, I'm pretty sure. 7 or 8, I'm not sure. And yeah, I'm probably going to be putting this money back in Tesla. Just waiting for it to go down. I'm probably going to buy more for sure. So yeah, that's my cash on my TFSA. The rest is all stocks. So that is my full stock market portfolio at 17. And I am turning 18 in 2 weeks, so I want to pump out this video. And yeah, I can't wait till I'm 18 and see what type of gains I can get then. And yeah, my goal for when I'm 18 is to do more research on stocks and just put more thought into it, not just buy them because they're going up. So yeah, thank you for watching, and I hope you guys can subscribe and like and share. Thanks so much.